Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. Dear student, I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College. Dear student, this is our first lecture on Chapter 8 and it is Cash Book. Dear student, after this lecture, you can able to define cash book, you can able to explain the importance of cash book, and you can able to classify the types of cash book. Dear student, what is cash book? The book where cash received and payment transaction are recorded together is called cash book. Cash book is the primary book of accounts. For preparing cash book, a particular format is followed. Cash book is act as a permanent books of accounts. Dear student, cash book is a book where all the cash transaction. Dear student, be careful. Only cash transaction will be recorded in cash book, and any credit transaction or any other types of transaction will not be recorded. Cash receipt will be recorded in one side, and cash payment will be recorded in other side. I hope you understand. Now, importance of cash book. Daily cash receipt and cash payment are easily ascertained with the help of cash book. Cash in hand at any time can easily be ascertained through cash book balance. Any mistake in the book can be easily detected at the time of verification of cash. Any duplication of money can be detected while verifying cash. Since cash is verified daily, cash book is always kept up to the date. That means cash book is very important. With a book, we can get help by saving our money, saving our time, and cash is most important element for an organization. Dear student, types of cash book. There are four types of cash book: single column cash book, double column cash book, triple column cash book, and petty cash book. Dear student, single column cash book. The cash book where only cash related transactions are recorded. That means no bank related transaction will be recorded here. Only cash. If cash comes in, debit side, receipt side, and if cash goes out, credit side, payment side. Comparatively, business of a small size prepare single column cash book. We know nowadays bank is most important. That's why the importance of single column cash book is decreasing, because if any bank transaction is related, then we cannot keep by single column cash book. That means in single column cash book only cash related transaction is recorded. The format of single column cash book is like this: date, receipt, voucher number, LF, amount. And date, payment, voucher number, LF, and amount in the credit side. Date, here you will write the which day you receive the money, then here you receive from which sources you receive the money. If the voucher number is given, then you will write here LF. In practical life we will write here, it will be backend, and the amount will be here. As well as when you paid cash money, date, payment, voucher number, LF, and amount. This side is called debit side, credit side, and this side is called debit side. Difference of debit and credit will be the balance of cash. That means cash in hand at the end of the day. Dear student, now double column cash book. The cash book where cash and bank related transaction. Earlier it is only cash related transaction. Now cash and bank related. That means two types of transaction will be recorded here. If I receive cash money through cash or by check, that will be recorded in the debit side. If I paid cash money, then it will be recorded in the credit side, payment side. Dear student, the cash book where cash and bank related transaction are recorded is double column cash book. And double column cash book is more applicable and provide much information. That means it is most popular in the business world. Dear student, the format of double column cash book: as single column cash book, only one column is accessed. This is bank column in debit side and bank column in credit side. That means if I receive through cash, that will record in cash column. If I receive by check, then it will be in bank column. On the other hand, if I paid cash, this side, this cash column, and if I paid by check, then in the bank column. Then at the end of the day, at the end of the month, we will find the balance by subtracting debit column to credit column to debit column. That means how we do balancing. Last lecture in chapter 7, you have learned how you can do balancing. Difference of debit and credit is called balancing. Now table column cash book. Dear student, table column cash book is a cash book. The cash book where cash and bank related transactions are recorded is double column cash book, and in table column cash book another extra item we will record, that is discount. That is discount. In discount in the debit side and discount in the credit side. Dear student, in table column cash book, we will record date, receipts, voucher number, LF, then extra discount column, cash and bank as well as double column cash book. Only discount column will be here, and in the payment side also discount column extra will be here. Dear student, the difference of debit and credit will be balance of cash, balance of bank. One important things you have to keep in your mind, dear student, in discount column there will not be any balance. We will add only discount column, total of discount. We will add only total of discount. Dear student, this is your homework. Dear student, you will prepare journal entries of non-cash transaction. You will prepare a cash memo by May 4 transaction and single column cash book. That means bank related transaction will not be here and no discount will be here. Dear student, you know there are two types of discount, discount received and discount allowed. And another two types of discount, trade discount and cash discount. And you know trade discount will not be recorded in cash book, only cash discount will be recorded in cash book. So here there is a discount, 5% discount, so be careful, this discount will not be recorded in cash book. When you will prepare cash book single column, you will not consider this discount, just only you will multiply this, then you will subtract the discount, then whatever amount you will get you will record in only single column cash book. No discount you will record. Dear student, I hope you understand. Inshallah, next class we will discuss little more about cash book. Thank you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. May Allah help all of us.